so today I'm gonna teach you how to get a good quality wallpaper. Look at mine is low quality, so let's get to the point. So first what you're gonna do is go to Google Chrome and search any wallpaper you want and find the one that you like. So I'm gonna pick this. So what you're gonna do, click it and right click the image here, or yeah, and click save image as. So name it what you want. So yeah, like that. So press this and go and click this. So and drag it in your desktop. Click skip, just like that. So you're gonna press close, right click, and set as desktop background. And there you go. See, it's that easy. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.